Anybody who knows me knows that I really like a good coffee. And today I'm going to check out a cafe in Brisbane CBD. It's been suggested to me by some of the people watching my channel, and it's got really mixed reviews. So just how mixed are these reviews? Well, let's have a look. First place that I always go to if I'm looking for reviews about a place for coffee is Bean Hunter. So on Bean Hunter, the most recent review of Bonsai Botanika by Slimy Simi says service was aggressively slow, asked for an espresso, got along black, tasted bad.
Cream? No thank you, I take it black. Like my man.
Willie Erickson says, what happened to this place? No one seems to know anything about their own menu. After a lengthy and confusing ordering process, did not receive what we ordered. No return customers here.
Is there some reason that my coffee isn't here? Has she died or something?
So let's go across to their Facebook page. Kanat Tanit says he doesn't recommend Bonsai Botanika. He said, lots of fruit flies, very annoying, coffee is so-so, doesn't taste like coffee but milk on my cappuccino. And he goes on. So, not a good start. Brian Isaac says, don't come here if you're looking for specialty coffee, blah 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 blah. So I'm not getting a really good view here of the cafe.
Savage!
So let's go across here to Zomato and see what the reviews there have to say. So far, it's not looking good at all. So Jizwin Thomas says, love the staff, ambiance and range of desserts they have. Would love to come back here again and try out other types of coffee and desserts. Okay, rated at 4 stars. Nah says, it looked so beautiful and everything had such great flavor and my entire family loved it, of course. We found the service to be lovely too. Cafe got extremely busy soon after we got in, but the staff was still great. Okay, good review again. Pirat Pintong something says, I can say I love it. The cafe is absolutely nice, clean and comfortable. The staff were very nice and friendly. Having people come in and out all the time, I recommend who like this style. Thanks. That is some really mixed reviews. The only way to really know is to try it yourself. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's go. Bonsai Botanika is on Elizabeth Street opposite the Maya Centre, right near Queen Street Mall. Walking in, first impressions are pretty good. It's got a pretty nice atmosphere. Most of the seating is upstairs, which continues the same kind of atmosphere as the ground level. But of course the most important thing is the coffee. The cappuccino I ordered was actually pretty good. It had a decent amount of foam, it was well made, and the flavour was good. They had an impressive variety of cakes and snacks, but more importantly, they also do Chemex and cold brew coffee. So, how was Bonsai Botanika? I would say it's actually pretty decent. I enjoyed the coffee. It's a good little cafe. I mean, it's nice. I like the setup and the decor. It wasn't, you know, the music was at a good level. The atmosphere was good. Staff were actually quite friendly, quite helpful, and you know, they work hard because, you know, they're going up and down those steps all the time. You know, I could understand if the service was a little slow, but for me, my experience wasn't that it was. Although, of course, I didn't order food, so that might change things. But, you know, overall, I had a really good experience. I'd definitely go back, and I definitely you know, recommend people go there. I'm not sponsored. They're, you know, not giving me money to say nice things. I just think it's a pretty good spot, and probably one of the better cafes that's located close to Queen Street Mall. So it's pretty convenient. I'd say, yeah, well worth visiting. So that's about it for me. Whatever you would like to know about Brisbane, if you want more photography videos, let me know. If you want more cafe reviews, let me know. If you want me to actually try the food and talk about that as well, rather than just letting you know where the good coffee is, let me know. I really want to give people stuff that they want, so definitely leave some comments. Let me know what it is that you would like to see on this channel, and I'll do all I can. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like if you enjoyed the review or if it was useful to you. If you disagree, if you think Bonsai Botanika is rubbish, then let me know that too, but I definitely had a good experience. Anyway, as usual, awkward at the end, don't know what to say, so see ya in the next video. Hopefully there will be one. Of course there will be one. And I'll see you in it. Bye.